What is up, friends and viewers? It is your plane spotting friend Carlos here. As you see in this video, I will be unboxing a brand new model airplane that I got for Christmas. It is an Airbus A330-900neo of Condor, branded by GeminiJets. The registration of this model and aircraft is DEANRD, Delta Alpha November Romeo Delta. This is a model of the same plane I flew on when I had my first ever airplane ride and visit to Germany this past summer. If you have never yet checked out my in-flight experience video and you don't want to miss out, there is a link to that video in the description below. The plane was just 2 months old when I flew on it, and I felt lucky enough to ride on one of Airbus's newest wide-body variants. Not only was it an incredible experience to be on board, but so was my visit to Germany. Germany is an incredibly beautiful country to visit. I highly recommend a visit to the country to anyone who plans on traveling the world, and it wouldn't have been even better without the experience I have had on board the aircraft. So here's the box of the model, where the plane's appearance is primarily illustrated. When we open up the flap, we see the plane packaged inside. Very intriguing to see a plane covered fully in stripes. The inside of the flap shows the plane's dimensions, aircraft specifications, and background information about the A330neo. On the back of the box, we see a graphic of the plane climbing, followed by an as real as it gets description. The box labels this model as a 2023 GeminiJets release. Now let's unbox this plane and have a detailed look at it. And that is it for the physical details and overview of this fantastic model. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in keeping up with my lifelong journey of plane spotting. I wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year, and I will see you all next time.